Sure. Here's a 500-word YouTube video script for your channel MVP Auto on the 2025 Mazda 3. Following your instructions. Welcome back to MVP Auto, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the sleek and stylish 2025 Mazda 3, a car that continues to set high standards in the compact car segment with its refined looks, spirited performance, and premium feel. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mazda 3 showcases a bold evolution of Mazda's Kodo design philosophy. It's clean, athletic, and sculpted with precision. At the front, the wide, blacked-out grille creates an aggressive presence, seamlessly merging with the sharp LED headlights that now come standard across all trims. The redesigned bumper gives the Mazda 3 a wider, lower stance, making it look more dynamic and planted, even when standing still. Along the sides, the flowing body lines are subtle but powerful, adding to the car's sense of motion. Mazda's signature Soul red crystal paint option remains available and continues to look absolutely stunning, catching the light in a way few other colors can. The 18-inch alloy wheels, available in dark finishes, complete the car's sporty, yet sophisticated profile. Around back, the slim taillights and dual exhaust tips hint at the performance waiting underneath. Overall, the 2025 Mazda 3 looks more mature, more upscale, and definitely more eye-catching than ever before. Speaking of performance, the 2025 Mazda 3 delivers an engaging driving experience that few rivals can match. Under the hood, you'll find the familiar 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, now tuned for slightly better efficiency and responsiveness. It produces around 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, giving the car plenty of pep, whether you're navigating city streets or pushing it on the highway. The available turbocharged version remains a standout, offering up to 250 horsepower when running premium fuel, transforming the Mazda 3 into a genuine hot hatch experience. Paired with a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic or a slick 6-speed manual in select trims, the Mazda 3 feels lively and connected. The steering is sharp, the chassis is well balanced, and the ride strikes a near-perfect balance between comfort and athleticism. Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus technology enhances stability and cornering precision, making every drive feel rewarding. Plus, the optional all-wheel drive system ensures confident traction in all weather conditions. Whether you're taking tight corners or cruising at highway speeds, the 2025 Mazda 3 delivers an experience that's hard to beat in its class. Now stepping briefly inside, the interior of the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to impress with its minimalist yet premium layout. Materials throughout the cabin are top-notch, with soft-touch surfaces, fine stitching, and tasteful metallic accents. The driver-focused cockpit puts everything within easy reach, and the new 10.25-inch infotainment display, now standard, looks crisp and responds quickly to inputs via the rotary dial controller. The seats are supportive and well-cushioned, offering comfort for both short trips and